That's me winning Best Actor. That's me fighting on top of a moving train. And this is me being caught mid-air by a dragon. I didn't write a single prompt to make any of that, not one. Every shot came from a template inside this app. One selfie, my phone, an afternoon, no prompt engineering, just myself and my phone. That's the claim in the title. You don't need to prompt any AI video anymore. And this is me proving it to you.
This is gonna be crazy.
I'll show you exactly how I built this film step by step, and by the end you'll be able to make your own. The full film will play at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around to see if any of the results surprised you. Okay, so let's jump into Anijam here, and here we are in the templates. So at the bottom of the screen you've got 3 buttons options, one that takes you into past projects where you can choose your past projects on these 3 lines at the top here. One, for instance, is the award ceremony one here. Let's click on that one, and you can see the award ceremony video ready to play here. And then at the bottom we got like our profile page here, which shows the credits. And if you just check in every day, you get 100 free credits just for checking in. And this is the page with all the templates. So we're just going to jump into how to do these template videos and choose some that we like the look of. So for instance, we've got some animated ones here, which we could do, story-based ones.
Serena, the contract isn't over yet. You can't leave. I'll give you money. I'll give you status.
A contract? You once said I wasn't even worthy of polishing your shoes. Now you're begging me? It's far too late.
So let's give that a quick go. Let's choose a picture. Okay, obviously it's best to only use pictures of people you have permission, so I'm just going to stick with myself. We'll click generate, and that's as simple as it is. Choose the template you like, grab the picture, and click generate.
The contract isn't over yet. You can't leave. I'll give you money. I'll give you status.
A contract? You once said I wasn't even worthy of polishing your shoes. Now you're begging me? It's far too late.
And I'll show you some other examples of templates that are available. So you can see Seedance 2 is the model it's using to create this. It's going to take 10 to 20 minutes for that clip to generate. And while it generates that 15-second clip, I'm going to go and create a few more. So we've got this really cheesy looking dance one here.
See you shake it.
Let's put my photo in there. I'm sure that one will look quite natural to me because that's how I kind of dance. So the senior dance exercise video kept failing, so I told it, let's do it again and change the music, because it looked like it was the music that was the problem. Then it basically said that it didn't know what was the previous work, and I said, you know, using this template, the senior exercise one with my image, I wanted to create me dancing in front of the White House. And so basically it is regenerating a new clip with Seedance 2. Let's see what that clip looks like. But this was a workaround I was able to do in this one particular case where the template just wasn't working. So we've got different categories here, like viral stories, social media, dance, photo ideas, football time, special day, marketing, memory, and anime love, religious stories, education videos. So let's go for some of these stories here. Let's see if I can make myself Moses, animation of the story from the Bible, Exodus 30 seconds long in cartoon 3D style. I'm going to click the tick button up here to accept this photo. And then I'm going to say, use my likeness. So it's using one of its skills now called Story Outline. I've captured your reference image. You want to use your likeness for Moses. That's a great creative choice. Let me save that as a character reference and get the project started. I've saved your photo as a character reference for Moses. So our 3D cartoon Moses will be modeled after your likeness. Now let's choose your creation mode and video mode. So you can see this option that I chose here from the templates is a little bit more involved than some of the other ones where you just add your image. Here it really wants to get into some more of the details. So you've got like generate a final video with audio all in one go, AI director mode. We're just going to do that because I want this to be a quick example, Seedance to mini we could use is recommended, or Seedance to fast. Yeah, let's go with Seedance to mini. It's one that uses less credits. So this is where you just configure some options that it gives you. So is it for all ages, kids or teenagers? I'll say all ages. And it's for shorts. And I want it in a 9:16 mode. And yeah, let's just do it as a voiceover. It doesn't need to be a dialogue. And the duration, how many minutes? Half a minute is perfect. That's what I asked for, just 30 seconds. That was actually the template option that we chose at the beginning. Great choices. Let me help you choose how we develop the story. Now AI can decide all of the decisions because I'm just showing you quick, simple template options today. We're not diving into all the nitty gritty. This is literally click and create. So it's written the outline updated, your story outline is done. Let me now set up the full production roadmap. Here's your Exodus, the parting of the Red Sea. So you can see when you do anything shorter than that very quick template, it goes into these slightly deeper levels of options, such as concept design, where it talks about all of this information, which you can see in other videos on the channel. So there is the Moses that looks a bit like my character and likeness. So it continued to generate the 5 video clips to make this short Moses video, and the audio, the voiceover, and background music, and now it's rendering all of that into one video clip, which I'm going to play for you now. Quick one before we keep building. If you're getting any value out of this, make sure to subscribe. We have a lot more AI video tutorials like this coming. It only takes you 2 seconds. Let's get right back to the video.
Trapped between the sea and an advancing army, the Israelites face their darkest hour. Moses raises his staff, and the sea begins to part. Through the dry seabed, the people rush forward, walls of water towering on either side. The Egyptian army charges in pursuit. Waters begin to tremble. The sea crashes down. The Israelites are free at last.
So let's jump into some more templates here. And this template is just an image template. And you can see every time you do one of these, it opens up a new project. And I've done multiple of these, including the dragon at the beginning, the train fight, the fall from the sky, and lots of different ones here that I'm going to show you combined together. I think one of the cool challenges here is to take some of these templates and then create a story out of those templates. So that's exactly how you can do this for yourself within Anijam. It's good for creating short clips that you could use within Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and also put them together, challenge yourself and create a longer video as well. So let's look at the longer video that I created now using just these templates with a couple of joining shots. I've lived many lives, played many roles. Some days, I was the man everything bows to. I had everything money could touch. And I drove straight past the things it couldn't.
And the winner is Jadesh.
They gave me their applause. They knew my face in every airport on earth. I fought battles that were never mine to win. I broke everything that stood in front of me. But in the quiet, it was always the same man in the mirror. Every one of those lies was just a moment in time. They were never who I am. Then the truth came looking for me. I stopped falling and started flying. Because the one thing that keeps me grounded is knowing I was made for a higher purpose. So that's the proof: a complete film, 0 prompts, 1 selfie, and a phone. But here's the thing, watching me do it isn't the point. Anijam is free to download, the link's in the description. Pick one template today, just one, put your face in it and see what comes back. That first result is what hooked me, and I think it'll hook you too.